guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to make a line chart in Google Sheets. Alright, subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me and show you how to do it. Alright, first and open Google Sheets and open your project or create new project, or open old project and it again. Alright, open project. Two category, three category: car, air, bike. Amount 5, 50, 10, 14. Alright, and select car, press shift and select 30 or 40. Right, and click on insert and search chart. Click on chart, this base, drag and change size. Chart type, click on this and scroll down, line, and click on this line chart, and change size. Alright, drag me and data range, X axis, or this or this or this. Alright, series, switch round columns, use row to a head on this, and customize chart style, background color green, them default, and Georgia or Robotom. Nice. And chart border color and black, smooth, maxim, plot, and compare mode. Alright, chart and axis titles, amount, write hello, change, and title font size, bold and text color, series, line color, and this line opacity 10 and 70, line dash, and this 2 point size 7, and error bars, data labels, and settings, simple and legend, auto position or right, okay, none, auto. Okay, horizontal axis, alright, and log scale, vertical axis, and this, right, and grid lines and ticks. Alright, and this, and this, and this, and that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye.